Good morning students. Welcome back in class of engineering chemistry. I am Asha Pawar working as assistant professor in SNJB's Let's Serve KBJ College of Engineering Sandwad Nasik. Student, in last session we learn polymer composite, that is what is polymer composite, what are the role of matrix and reinforcing material in polymer composite, what are the types of fiber used, etc. So today we learn classification based on reinforcement. This is an important question asked in theory examination. That is, we classify the polymer composite, but based on what? Which are the reinforcing material used. That is, there are generally three types of polymer composite depending upon which type of reinforcing material used in the polymer composite. First one is a PRP, that is polymer reinforced composite, or PRC. That is, in PRC, particle reinforced composite, carbon black used as a reinforcing material as well as a rubber. Second type is fiber reinforced composite, and again fiber reinforced composite having three types, that is continuous aligned composite, second one is a discontinuous aligned composite, and third one is a discontinuous randomly oriented composite. Means if we use the fiber as a reinforcing material, but what is exactly the orientation of that fiber that decide the types, that is it is continuously oriented or it is discontinuous but aligned, and discontinuous and randomly oriented, that is depending upon that orientation. Fiber reinforced composite having how many types? Three types. And the last type is structural composite, that is it again having two types. Laminar composite, most common example is plywood. If we observe the plywood, there is a layer of a very thin polymer and wood, that is ply and wood there. That's why it is a laminar, one after another. One layer is for the polymer, another layer is wood, again polymer, again wood, that is it is a laminar composite. And the second type of structural composite is a sandwich panel composite. Sandwich panel consists of two strong outer faces separated by layer of a less dense core. That is, in the sandwich panel there are a strong outer faces. It is made up of from the polymer, and the inner layer, that is sandwich layer, having less dense, it is known as a core, and it may be rubber or it may be other material. So these are the classification of polymer composite based on the reinforcing material used. Then what are the general properties of polymer composite? Most common, it is higher tensile strength, high stiffness, high thermal stability, high oxidation resistance, high abrasion, that is a scratch resistance, high chemical resistance. Means these are the important properties of polymer, any polymer composite. It is high tensile strength, high stiffness, high thermal stability, high oxidation resistance, high abrasion, that is scratch resistance, high chemical resistance. So these are the diagram of some composites material, that is carbon fiber composite, that is the reinforcing material used in the form of carbon fiber along with the polymer. Glass fiber, that is reinforcing material is a glass fiber along with the polymer. Aramide fiber composite containing the aramide fiber, that is a very strong polymer containing amide group. That polymer composed with the polymer, another polymer as a matrix phase. Woven fabric. Then applications of composite. From this diagram we easily understood the applications, and it is a widely or a huge number of applications of polymer composites, and it's day by day use of that composite increase due to the industry need for the modern analysis and improved performance. Means in day to day life we use a different things. See here, it's a bag, part of aeroplane, parts of car, part of boats, that is bulletproof jacket, sorry, it's not a bag, it is a bulletproof jacket, in aircraft, in automobile part, sports kits, building construction, boats hull, such a many more applications of polymer composites. Then the polymer composite fiber reinforced plastic types. There are two types included in your syllabus. Which fibers are used as a reinforcing material? Depending on that, there are two types: glass fiber reinforced plastic and carbon fiber reinforced polymer composite. So, polymer matrix reinforced with glass fiber in FRP, fiber reinforced plastic or fiber reinforced composite. That is what glass fiber is composed with polymer matrix or reinforced with polymer matrix. And in carbon fiber reinforced composite, polymer matrix reinforced with a carbon fiber. For example, which type of polymer used for the making such a composite? In FRP, polymer used like nylon and polyester. For making CRP, carbon fiber reinforced polymer, polymer used epoxy resin or polyester. Advantages: FRP is an excellent resistance to corrosion and chemical. That is, it not easily corrode, and it is a resist the corrosion and various chemical. Low density. Advantages of carbon fiber reinforced polymer composite, that is, it is excellent resistance to corrosion, it also excellent resistance to corrosion, it has a lower density. FRP having high tensile strength, carbon fiber reinforced composite high temperature resistance. Applications: FRP used most commonly in automobile parts, storage tank, plastic pipes to reduce vehicle weight. But carbon fiber reinforced polymer composite used as a structural components of aircraft and helicopter for making sport goods, laptop, musical instrument, etc., etc. So these both the types of polymer composite, that is a glass fiber and carbon fiber, can most widely used again in the various industry. Thank you.